Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a block sword. Start with the fundamental steps to craft your first block sword. You'll need to gather specific materials, typically wood or metal, and have a crafting table ready. Remember, a basic sword design usually calls for one stick and two pieces of your chosen material, like iron ingots or wooden planks. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth crafting process, setting the foundation for your powerful new weapon. Now let's assemble the sword. Open your crafting table. Place a single stick in the bottom center slot. This forms the hilt. Directly above that, in the middle center and top center slots, place your two chosen material blocks. This specific vertical alignment is key to successfully crafting the blade and completing the basic structure of your block sword. It's a simple yet precise pattern. To make your sword even more formidable, consider upgrading your materials. Diamond or netherite swords offer significantly higher damage and durability compared to wood or stone. You can also use an enchanting table to add powerful abilities, like increased damage or fire aspect. Remember to repair your sword at an anvil using matching materials or by spending experience points to maintain its effectiveness. For advanced players, don't be afraid to experiment. Some custom servers or mods offer unique crafting recipes for specialized swords with distinct properties. Always maintain a good stock of raw materials. You'll need them for repairs, upgrades, and crafting new, more powerful weapons. Understanding the game's mechanics and exploring community-made content can unlock a vast array of sword-making possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.